Yo, what's good, guys? Today we're leaving Caltà and we're going to the island of Yuan. I did not say that right, but we're gonna get a perfect pic. This trip was inspired by Sinohasviajado, which means if you haven't traveled, with a photo of them on top of a rock with the rest of the island behind them. Looks crazy. I was literally just chilling in my bungalow. I didn't want to even leave, and then the photo inspired me to get up and head out. So let's see what we get into. This is just beautiful, man. All right, so we're walking on this wooden bridge around the island. There's like all these rocks under us, and to the right of us, it's like a 15-minute hike up, and there's a looming storm in the background. So yeah, wish me luck, man. All right, we just got to the steps. I don't think doing this in flip-flops was my smartest idea. I think I'm gonna drop to the barefoot and see if my choppers is really chopping. So I got tricked. The whole time I thought it was just steps walking all the way up to the mountain. We got to like real rocks where you definitely should have some shoes. But I'm gonna continue anyway. Wish me luck, like I've been saying. Look at that. There used to be a monkey. Made it to the top. Made it to the top. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. What I love about traveling, like I'm on top of a rock looking at the most amazing view I've seen, and I run into strangers with beautiful souls. My friend from Poland and my friend from Sweden, and we just kicking it, man. And it's raining and nobody's like running.
It's raining here like the nature.
Yeah, man.
It's sweet water.
All right, guys, I just finished taking my perfect pic. I'd like to thank Love.Think Snow Travels for the inspiration. My name is Ebis Hernandez. I took a trip to get the perfect pic, and I did it. I'm out of here.
The name's actually Sinohasviajado. I blacked out in that last moment. But they have a really dope Instagram account. You should really follow them. Bagels for real.
Between two of them, so I decided
We're
to
just
go
kicking it in the middle of the jungle, hiding from the rain.
It sounds like it worked out, man.
Trekking back down the mountain in the rain. Woo.
adventure.
We don't know where we're going. Just following our feet.
You know, it's big plus because we can't look here. It's only around.
Oh, you got.
All right.
Hope you enjoy running around the islands with me. If you like the video, like it. Share it with your friends and leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. My name is Ebis Hernandez. Until the next trip, somebody